To access your new LC State account, we will start by navigating to the WarriorHub homepage. Either type in www.lcsc.edu/WarriorHub, or through Google, search for WarriorHub. Be sure to select the Lewis Clark State College website with the WarriorHub heading. Once in WarriorHub, select the box that says "What's my username?" This will take you to a new page where you will be required to enter your legal first and last name and provide the email you used when you applied to LC State. Once you enter your information and select Submit, you will be redirected to a new page asking you to check your personal email. Open your personal email account and open the help desk email. Be sure to check your junk or spam folders. If you do not see this email within 2 minutes, it may be because the email address on file does not match the email you entered. Please contact the help desk at 208-792-2231, where we will verify your identity and then update our records. The email will contain your new LC State email address. This new address is what will be needed for all LC State logins. Inside the same email, you can follow the link to office.com, or in your web browser navigate to www.office.com. Select Sign In. If you already have a Microsoft account on your device, it will appear here. For our purposes, we will select the Use Another Account option. Enter your new LC State address and hit Next. When asked to enter a password, select Forgot My Password. Verify the email is correct, enter the CAPTCHA at the bottom, and then select Next. You will receive an email to your personal account from Microsoft with a verification code. If you opened Office.com by following the email link, you will need to navigate to the top of your screen to the 3 vertical dots and select the option to open the page in a browser. This will free up your email app so you can open your verification email without losing any progress. Navigate to your personal email address to get the verification code. Enter the verification code that Microsoft emailed to you, and you will be able to create a password for your account. Password requirements include using 14 characters and 3 of the following 4 criteria: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a non-alphabetical character. Once your password has been reset, you can follow the Click Here link to log in to your new LC State account. Enter your new LC State email address and your newly created password and select Sign In. You will be asked for more information regarding account security. Select Next. You will be asked to download an Authenticator app on your device. If you want to install the Microsoft Authenticator app, navigate to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Microsoft Authenticator by the Microsoft Corporation. Install and open the app. Select Add Worker School Account and sign in with your new LC State email and password. Read and accept the terms for LC State's Technology Code of Conduct. Once signed in, you will be asked to finish setup in a web browser. Select Open Browser and you will be redirected to a new page and asked to sign in again. After sign in, you will be back to the Account Security page asking you to download the Authenticator. You can now select Next. On the following screen, select Pair your account to the app by clicking this link. Your Authenticator app will be automatically linked to your new LC State account. Now that your new LC State address has been set up, you can return to the WarriorHub to sign in. Once signed into WarriorHub, you will have immediate access to all LC State accounts, including Warrior Web, Canvas, and your new Warrior Mail. If you have issues or questions, you can refer to the how-to guide on WarriorHub or contact the help desk by emailing helpdesk@lcsc.edu or by calling 208-792-2231.